Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome back out here at Squirrel Park. Sounds like we got two squirrels up in the tree fighting. Anyhow, out here trying to squeeze in a flight on a Monday morning, a wet, rainy Monday morning. It stopped, and so I figured I had a chance to really fly real quick, get something out here with the QAV 105, trying to fly it 3S. Had a urge to fly some FPV, y'all, and the last time I flew this, it was a pleasant experience. And I got this 3S pack now that I pulled, and this thing seemed to be working really nicely, so I paired these two together in hopes of getting a pretty nice flight, not too long. Might try to fly high a little bit. Let's get it in the air. This buzzer on this quad right here is nice and loud, so not really worried about losing it. I gotta get my butt to work. Oh man. Okay, let's try to get it in here. Oh, we're on the wrong protocol on this thing. I gotta go to DSMX. Okay. Let's get it up there. Oh, it's real peppy. Let's do some FPV with it. Sheesh, this thing is really floaty with this 3S. Oh, getting some static. Don't like that, just missed the line. This battery doesn't sound happy. Not really punching out hard with it. See, where are we? Okay, I think that's enough for this battery. It's ready to come in. A little cold out here. Maybe the battery is acting off of this cold weather and all. But quick little FPV flight on a Monday morning. A little wet, but we squeeze it in there. Thanks for watching.